Hello, how are you everyone? I'm hoping that you guys are doing well wherever you are. For me over here, I'm doing awesome and welcome to today's video. My good name is Hadassa Amina, guys, and let's do this video. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to plait this weave. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use to extend my hair, but what I have in mind, I just want it to appear more natural, so I'm going to leave some leave outs. So let's do that, guys. Yeah. Yes guys, so I'm going to explain this process the simplest way ever. So step number one is to portion out the leave outs, yeah, so that they will not mix with the hair that I want to plait cornrows, okay, on. And then after that is to plait the cornrows, nothing much. And for the cornrows, you have to make sure that the cornrows, it's not a must for the cornrows to be neat, no, as long as they are strong cornrows that they can handle the sewing in of the weave and they are strong, you know, that is what we are looking for over here. And then, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just plaiting cornrows to make sure that the hair is well secured, because I'll be using this hair later, much later. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then after that, for the cornrows, make sure that you're plaiting nice cornrows. They don't have to be neat, but they are strong and they are nice, you know. Yeah. And then after that, I will just be sewing in my weave. After sewing in my weave, I'll be using my flat iron. Make sure that the hair is blending in well. Yeah, I'll be making sure that the hair is blending in well, and that is it, guys, and that is really it. So in order for you to understand better, please stick on and make sure that you're watching the rest of the video so that you understand what I'm trying to tell you, guys. So enjoy the video.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever. When you need someone to cover you, no weather. can ask anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets.
Okay, so I'm done sewing in my weave, but I also have another weave that I'm going to glue it using hair glue, I mean. Yeah, so to give it the fine ending result of everything, so I'll use the hair glue to stick this weave on my head. Okay, yeah, because I want a smooth finishing. Yeah, so that's what you do. I'm going to stick it on my head, and that's what I will do to the areas that I feel like I need to stick the weave. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing, and it will give you a smooth finishing that you're really looking for. Yeah, so that's what I did here. Yeah, but also make sure that when you're sticking the weave, that you're not sticking it on your hair, but you're sticking it on these partitions, you know, these the areas that there is no hair. Okay, yeah, if you want it also to stick longer, make sure that you're doing it on a clear way. Okay, yeah, so that is it. I also sticked on the other side. Yeah, and you can see that will give me a very smooth finishing, that the finishing that I'm looking for. Yeah, so that was it.
Show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets. Secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. No secrets, no, 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 no secrets. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back.
So guys, I'm done, and this is the end result of everything. I just wanted to do something that will blend in well with my hair, and knowing that my hair also has I kind of bleached my hair, so it's blending in well. You cannot even see my hair. So I love the results, guys. I love the results, and yeah, that is it. That is it, guys. Yes, guys, so that is it from me today. See you in the next video. Bye bye, and always take care of yourself, and always love yourself, because no one else will. Love yourself, and see you. Bye bye.